Using dictionaries. Remember how dictionaries can store a limitless amount of data? Imagine having to read through line after line of someone else's code. In this video, we'll learn how to use and navigate our way around a dictionary. Let's start with using a key to find a value. Suppose you want to know how well your son Paul did for the final exams. Last week, you made a deal with him that if he scores at least 75, you'll get him that new video game he wanted. When you check the results, the names of the students are listed in no particular order. It would take ages before you find his test scores. Consider the dictionary for the exam scores. This is the syntax we use to find Paul's name. Let's type Paul between the square brackets and see what comes up. Oh no! Looks like Paul won't be getting that new game. A key error occurs when you input a key that isn't actually present in the code. To avoid getting a key error, we can set a variable that will check if the key exists in our code. Going back to our exam scores example, now you're worried that Andrew, Paul's mischievous twin brother, didn't take the test at all. We can check this by setting a variable and a condition. Looks like Andrew isn't getting that video game either. A more convenient way to check if the key exists or not is to use the get method. The get method shows us the key that we're looking for. If it doesn't exist, it returns none. Using our exam scores example, let's try the get method. Let's check the scores of Lisa, Wesley, and Queenie. Whoops! Queenie doesn't belong to this batch. If you want to delete a key in the dictionary, you can use the pop method. For example, it's Christmas time and you're giving your neighbors some baked treats. Once you're done, you can use the pop method to remove them from the dictionary. If you want to get all the keys without their values, you can use the keys method to do so. Let's see which neighbors haven't received gifts yet. We can use the value method to get all the values without their keys. This time, let's look at the gifts we're giving the neighbors. Using the items method shows both the keys and the values. Well done! In this video, we learned about getting a key, avoiding a key error, and using methods that help us access keys, values, or key-value pairs.